Hello everyone. Today we have some exciting news about Meta's groundbreaking AI model, LLaMa 2. Formerly known as Facebook, Meta is set to disrupt the AI landscape with this new release. So before we dive in, let's take a quick look at the basics. LLaMa stands for Large Language Model Meta AI. LLaMa 2 is Meta's open-source AI model that promises to outperform GPT-4, Microsoft, and Google. LLaMa 2 is the second iteration of the LLaMa model, which was originally leaked and further developed by the open-source LLM community. This release includes a partnership with Microsoft and offers dedicated licenses for both research and commercial use. Unlike closed-source rivals, LLaMa 2's open-source approach poses a potential threat to proprietary models and could lead to a mass migration of AI developers seeking alternatives beyond GPT-4. But why is Meta focusing on an open-source approach? Unlike GPT-4, which is backed by OpenAI and Microsoft, Meta is taking a different route. They're embracing the open-source AI revolution, following in the footsteps of Google's Android operating system strategy. Their initial large language model, LLaMa v1, has already made waves in other open-source projects. And now, the moment we've been waiting for: the arrival of LLaMa v2. While LLaMa version 1 could only be used under a research license, LLaMa version 2 is expected to change this restriction and allow for commercial deployment. The model comes in 3 versions: 7B, 13B, and 70B, each with improvements in data quality, training techniques, and architectural enhancements. Meta claims that LLaMa 2 is safer and of higher quality compared to its predecessor. Meta aims to leverage this new model for its array of services and even external parties. Meta's unveiling of LLaMa 2 could mark a transformational step towards an open-source, commercially viable alternative to proprietary models like GPT-4. This has the potential to ignite a mass migration of AI developers seeking options beyond closed-source platforms. Many believe that open source will soon dominate the AI race, and Meta's ambitious move might just validate that belief. One of the most critical aspects of LLaMa 2's release is Meta's strategic move towards embracing the open-source revolution. This unique approach allows LLaMa 2 to serve both businesses and users while still retaining commercial benefits. This approach allows Meta to diversify its AI applications, enhancing its existing services like Instagram chatbots, content moderation and translation tools, and fostering research and development. We'll explore how this could reshape the AI industry and lead to a shift in power from proprietary models to open-source alternatives. Let's now turn our attention to another revolutionary advancement in the AI landscape: is Stable Doodle by Stability AI. This multimodal tool's ability to convert hand-drawn sketches into high-resolution AI images is remarkable. With 14 different styles to choose from, Stable Doodle caters to professionals and amateurs alike. Its potential to transform industries like education and creative design is fantastic, bridging the gap between sketches and high-resolution images. Meta's innovative language models and tools like Stable Doodle are reshaping the AI landscape. The convergence of creative intelligence allows for new possibilities beyond text and images, extending to video and more. Imagine illustrators easily translating rough storyboards into animated sequences, or news agencies creating custom visuals for their stories. Marketers can quickly generate unique imagery for advertising campaigns, and content creators can enrich their blogs and social media posts with AI-generated images. These advancements mark a new era for AI, as the industry witnesses a shift from proprietary models to open-source alternatives. Now, let's dive deeper into the star of the show, LLaMa 2. We'll explore how this next-generation AI model from Meta aims to outperform GPT-4 and Google's model. The ability to generate language, code, and images in a single model is a game-changer. We'll discuss the implications and how developers and researchers can leverage LLaMa 2's capabilities. Meta's decision to embrace the open-source approach with LLaMa 2 is strategic and forward-thinking. But with great power comes great responsibility. We'll discuss the potential risks associated with open-source AI and how Meta aims to address issues like safety and misuse. LLaMa 2 offers multiple models with base sizes ranging from 7 billion to 70 billion. The corpus used for pre-training has been expanded by 40%, doubling the context length. The new approach called grouped query attention is a notable enhancement. The development cost for LLaMa 2 was estimated at around 25 million, making it a cost-effective choice for an open-source model. Meta emphasizes AI safety and mentions data controls and harm evaluations as part of their efforts. The practical applications of LLaMa 2 are vast, and we'll explore how Meta envisions incorporating it into its existing services. From Instagram chatbots to content moderation and translation tools, the possibilities are exciting. By diversifying their AI applications, Meta not only enhances their own services, but also advances research and development by integrating the latest open-source breakthrough. According to some researchers, the 70B version of LLaMa 2 performs well in reasoning tasks, comparable to GPT 3.5. However, it lags behind in coding benchmarks, falling short of GPT-4 and Palm 2L. It's worth noting that safety is emphasized in Meta's claims about this model, which may be a response to recent discussions on AI regulation. There are several ways to try out LLaMa 2. For example, the model can be accessed through the Replicate API or the Model Playground at LLaMa 2. AI. Users have reported positive experiences with the base model and the fine-tuned chat models, which are on par with GPT 3.5. While details on code, math, and reasoning capabilities are limited in the paper, there are references to reward models and reinforcement learning from human feedback. In conclusion, LLaMa 2 represents a game-changing AI model that has the potential to transform the industry. Meta's strategic open-source approach, combined with tools like Stable Doodle, signals a new era for AI. As developers and researchers explore LLaMa 2's capabilities, we can expect to witness groundbreaking innovations and creativity. However, it is crucial to use AI responsibly and address potential concerns like bias and safety to ensure a positive impact on society. The future of AI is undoubtedly exciting, and we can't wait to witness further advancements in the coming months. Now let's show examples of dialogues with LLaMa models by using Synthesia to visualize the answers from the model. Here are a few examples of what LLaMa models can do.
Who are 5 people you would like to meet?
This is a very interesting question. I would love to meet a wide variety of people, but if I had to narrow it down to 5 specific individuals, I would choose Albert Einstein, one of the greatest minds in history. Einstein's contributions to physics and science are legendary. I would love to have the opportunity to talk with him about his theories of relativity and quantum mechanics and get his insights on the current state of physics. Leonardo da Vinci. Da Vinci is one of the most brilliant and multi-talented people in history, and I would love to meet him and discuss his diverse interests and areas of expertise. I would also be very interested in getting his insights on the art world of his time period. Socrates, one of the founders of Western philosophy. Socrates is a hugely important and influential figure in the history of ideas. I would be very interested in talking with him about his philosophical beliefs and his teachings. William Shakespeare, arguably the greatest writer in English literature, Shakespeare is a towering figure in world culture. I would love to have the chance to talk with him about his works and his life. Abraham Lincoln, one of the most important and influential presidents in American history. Lincoln led the country through the Civil War and issued the Emancipation Proclamation, freeing all slaves in the United States. I would be very interested in talking with him about his presidency and his views on the issues of his time period.
Could you explain to me the main contribution of the first person you mentioned?
Einstein's contributions to physics and science are legendary. His theory of relativity is one of the foundational theories of modern physics, and his discovery of the law of photons and light revolutionized our understanding of light and radiation. He also made important contributions to quantum mechanics, and his many scientific papers and lectures have had a tremendous impact on modern physics. Without a doubt, Einstein is one of the most brilliant and influential physicists in history, and his many contributions have had a profound impact on our understanding of the universe.
What is the most famous equation for this theory?
The most famous equation from Einstein's theory of relativity is E equals mc squared. This equation states that energy, E, is equal to mass, m, times the speed of light, c squared, and it is one of the most well-known and celebrated equations in the history of science. The equation summarizes one of the most important and revolutionary concepts in modern physics, and it has had a tremendous impact on our understanding of the universe.
Thank you for joining us on this journey to explore Meta's Llama 2 and its impact on the AI landscape. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more updates on AI and technology. If you have any questions or thoughts, please share them in the comments below. We hope you learned something, and we'll see you in the next video. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the world of AI. Goodbye.